Hello everybody, in today's tutorial I will show you how to play music while you are using mapmyrun. So first you have to obtain the mapmyrun application. Uh, so go to the App Store and go to the search menu and type in the search bar mapmyrun. And here you will find our application and you have just to start. Click on the application and download it and sign up and create an account. So now I'm going to start a workout so I can show you how to play music. Well, basically, however you are listening to music, they won't be shut down while you are doing your workout. So all I have, you can just, if you have like any music in iTunes, you can have them in like here. Go to iTunes. If you have any downloaded music, you can listen to them while you are doing the workouts, and still you the workout is not stopped and still maintaining. Also, you can be using other applications like documents that has the music in it, and you still can listen while there is the workout that is already not stopped and still functioning and still functioning. So basically, this is how you play the music while you are running or while you are using mapmyrun. Thank you for watching and goodbye.